Welcome to Diabtron, where we explore ways to improve your well-being and live a healthier life. In today's video, we'll be diving into the world of nutrition and discovering the top foods that can alleviate stress and lower cortisol levels. From antioxidant-rich berries to calming chamomile tea, these foods offer a natural way to combat stress and promote relaxation. Stay tuned as we explore the science behind each food and how they can benefit your mind and body. So sit back, relax, and join us on this journey to discover the top foods for stress relief and cortisol reduction. Let's dive in. Several foods have been shown to help alleviate stress and lower cortisol levels due to their nutritional properties and effects on the body's stress response system. Berries. Berries contain various compounds, including antioxidants like flavonoids and vitamin C, which contribute to their stress-alleviating properties. Berries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids such as anthocyanins and quercetin. These compounds help combat oxidative stress in the body by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Oxidative stress is associated with increased cortisol levels and heightened stress responses. By reducing oxidative stress, berries help mitigate the physiological effects of stress on the body. Chronic stress can trigger inflammation in the body, contributing to various health problems. The antioxidants and other bioactive compounds found in berries possess anti-inflammatory properties, which can help mitigate the inflammatory response induced by stress. By reducing inflammation, berries indirectly contribute to lowering cortisol levels, as cortisol is released in response to inflammation. Some compounds in berries have been shown to exert neuroprotective effects, potentially helping to protect brain cells from damage caused by stress and oxidative stress. By supporting brain health, berries may help regulate the stress response system and cortisol secretion. Berries contain nutrients that support cognitive function and mood regulation. For example, vitamin C found in berries is involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which plays a role in mood regulation. By promoting a positive mood and cognitive function, berries can help mitigate the psychological effects of stress and indirectly influence cortisol levels. Berries are relatively low in sugar and rich in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar levels are important for preventing spikes in cortisol secretion. By promoting stable blood sugar levels, berries can help modulate cortisol release and maintain a more balanced stress response. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has several components that can help alleviate stress and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, particularly flavonols such as epicatechin and catechin. Flavonoids are antioxidants that have been shown to have various health benefits, including anti-inflammatory effects and improved blood flow. These compounds may help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can be associated with elevated cortisol levels during periods of stress. Dark chocolate contains tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and relaxation. Consuming dark chocolate may increase serotonin levels in the brain, promoting a sense of well-being and potentially reducing stress and cortisol secretion. Dark chocolate contains substances that can trigger the release of endorphins in the brain. Endorphins are neurotransmitters known as feel-good chemicals because they can induce feelings of pleasure and reduce pain perception. The release of endorphins may help counteract the negative effects of stress and cortisol, promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. Dark chocolate is a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in stress response and relaxation. Magnesium helps regulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which controls cortisol secretion. Adequate magnesium intake has been associated with lower levels of cortisol and reduced stress reactivity. Dark chocolate contains polyphenols, which are plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Polyphenols may help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which are associated with increased cortisol levels during stressful situations. It's important to note that while dark chocolate may have stress-relieving properties, moderation is key. Dark chocolate is calorie-dense and contains sugar and fat, so excessive consumption can have negative health effects, including weight gain and increased risk of chronic diseases. Opt for dark chocolate with higher cocoa content, 70% or higher, and enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, contain several nutrients and compounds that can help alleviate stress and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties and are essential for brain health and function. Research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids may help regulate cortisol levels by modulating the body's stress response system. They can also support optimal brain function, mood regulation, and stress resilience. DHA, one of the main omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, is a major structural component of brain cell membranes. Adequate intake of DHA supports brain health and cognitive function, which can help mitigate the cognitive effects of stress and improve resilience to stressors. Fatty fish are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Protein-rich foods help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety, which can contribute to a more balanced stress response. Stable blood sugar levels help prevent spikes in cortisol secretion that can occur in response to fluctuating glucose levels. Fatty fish are one of the few natural food sources of vitamin D, a nutrient that plays a role in mood regulation and may influence cortisol levels. Adequate vitamin D levels have been associated with a reduced risk of depression and improved mood, which can indirectly contribute to lower cortisol levels during periods of stress. Fatty fish are a good source of selenium, an essential mineral with antioxidant properties. Selenium helps protect cells from oxidative damage and supports immune function. By reducing oxidative stress and supporting immune health, selenium may help regulate cortisol levels and promote overall well-being. Some types of fatty fish, such as salmon, are also good sources of magnesium. Adequate magnesium intake has been associated with lower levels of cortisol and improved stress resilience. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds offer various nutritional components that contribute to stress alleviation and potentially lower cortisol levels. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in stress response and relaxation. Some nuts and seeds, such as walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Nuts and seeds are good sources of plant-based protein. Protein-rich foods help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety, which can contribute to a more balanced stress response. Stable blood sugar levels help prevent spikes in cortisol secretion that can occur in response to fluctuating glucose levels. Nuts and seeds are also rich in dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote gut health. Emerging research suggests a connection between gut health and stress regulation, with a healthy gut microbiome being associated with lower stress levels. Fiber-rich foods can support a healthy gut microbiome, potentially influencing cortisol levels and stress resilience. Nuts and seeds contain various antioxidants, including vitamin E, selenium, and phenolic compounds. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can be associated with elevated cortisol levels during periods of stress. By reducing oxidative stress, nuts and seeds may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and promote overall well-being. Some nuts, such as almonds, contain tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and relaxation. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, offer several nutritional components that can help alleviate stress and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Leafy greens are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in stress response and relaxation. Leafy greens are high in dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote gut health. Emerging research suggests a connection between gut health and stress regulation, with a healthy gut microbiome being associated with lower stress levels. Fiber-rich foods can support a healthy gut microbiome, potentially influencing cortisol levels and stress resilience. Leafy greens are excellent sources of folate, a B vitamin that plays a role in neurotransmitter synthesis, including serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and relaxation. Adequate folate intake may support serotonin production, promoting a sense of well-being and potentially reducing stress and cortisol secretion. Leafy greens contain various antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and phytochemicals such as flavonoids and carotenoids. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can be associated with elevated cortisol levels during periods of stress. By reducing oxidative stress, leafy greens may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and promote overall well-being. Leafy greens contain phytochemicals, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been associated with cognitive function and brain health. These compounds may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially supporting stress resilience and reducing cortisol levels. Leafy greens are high in water content, which helps keep the body hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate stress and cortisol levels, so consuming hydrating foods like leafy greens can support overall hydration status and help maintain a more balanced stress response. Avocados. Avocados offer several nutritional components that can contribute to stress alleviation and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. Monounsaturated fats have been associated with improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Consuming healthy fats can help stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety, which can contribute to a more balanced stress response and potentially lower cortisol levels. Avocados are a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a role in blood pressure regulation. Adequate potassium intake has been associated with lower blood pressure levels, which can help reduce stress on the cardiovascular system and potentially lower cortisol levels. Avocados are high in dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion and promote gut health. Emerging research suggests a connection between gut health and stress regulation, with a healthy gut microbiome being associated with lower stress levels. Fiber-rich foods can support a healthy gut microbiome, potentially influencing cortisol levels and stress resilience. Avocados contain various B vitamins, including folate, B9, vitamin B6, and vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, which play roles in neurotransmitter synthesis and energy metabolism. Adequate intake of B vitamins may support neurotransmitter balance, including serotonin production, which can promote a sense of well-being and potentially reduce stress and cortisol secretion. Avocados contain antioxidants, including vitamin E and various phytochemicals, such as carotenoids and flavonoids. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can be associated with elevated cortisol levels during periods of stress. By reducing oxidative stress, avocados may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and promote overall well-being. Avocados have a high water content, which helps keep the body hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate stress and cortisol levels, so consuming hydrating foods like avocados can support overall hydration status and help maintain a more balanced stress response. Yogurt. Yogurt offers several nutritional components that can contribute to stress alleviation and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Yogurt is rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, which can influence cortisol levels and stress resilience. Yogurt is a good source of calcium, a mineral that plays a role in muscle contraction, nerve function, and blood clotting. Adequate calcium intake has been associated with reduced cortisol levels and improved stress response. Calcium may help regulate the release of cortisol from the adrenal glands and support overall stress management. Yogurt is a source of high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Yogurt contains various B vitamins, including riboflavin, vitamin B12, and pantothenic acid, which play roles in energy metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis. Some types of yogurt are also sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in stress response and relaxation. Some types of yogurt contain tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and relaxation. Consuming yogurt that contains tryptophan may support serotonin production, promoting a sense of well-being and potentially reducing stress and cortisol secretion. Oatmeal. Oatmeal offers several nutritional components that can contribute to stress alleviation and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate that is digested slowly, leading to a gradual and sustained release of glucose into the bloodstream. This slow release of energy helps stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent spikes and crashes that can trigger cortisol release. Stable blood sugar levels support a more balanced stress response and help regulate cortisol secretion. Oatmeal is high in soluble fiber, particularly beta-glucan. Fiber-rich foods like oatmeal help regulate digestion and promote gut health. Emerging research suggests a connection between gut health and stress regulation, with a healthy gut microbiome being associated with lower stress levels. Fiber supports a healthy gut microbiome, potentially influencing cortisol levels and stress resilience. Oatmeal contains various B vitamins, including thiamine, B1, riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, and pantothenic acid, B5, which play roles in energy metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis. Oatmeal is a source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in stress response and relaxation. Oatmeal contains tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation and relaxation. Oatmeal contains antioxidants, including vitamin E and phytochemicals such as avenanthramides. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can be associated with elevated cortisol levels during periods of stress. By reducing oxidative stress, oatmeal may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and promote overall well-being. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea has been traditionally used for its calming and soothing properties, and several mechanisms may contribute to its ability to alleviate stress and potentially reduce cortisol levels. Chamomile contains a flavonoid called apigenin, which has been studied for its anxiolytic, anti-anxiety, and sedative effects. Apigenin acts on neurotransmitter systems in the brain, including GABA receptors, which are involved in promoting relaxation and reducing stress. By modulating these neurotransmitter systems, apigenin may help alleviate stress and anxiety, potentially leading to lower cortisol levels. Another flavonoid found in chamomile, luteolin, has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and anxiolytic properties. By reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation, luteolin may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and indirectly influence cortisol levels. Chamomile tea contains antioxidants, including terpenoids and flavonoids, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress is associated with increased cortisol levels during periods of stress. By reducing oxidative stress, chamomile tea may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and promote overall well-being. The aroma of chamomile tea may have a calming effect on the mind and body. Aromatherapy has been studied for its potential to reduce stress and anxiety by influencing neurotransmitter activity and promoting relaxation responses. The act of drinking warm chamomile tea and inhaling its aroma may contribute to stress reduction and lower cortisol levels. Chamomile tea is often consumed before bedtime due to its calming effects, which may help improve sleep quality. Adequate sleep is essential for stress management and cortisol regulation. By promoting relaxation and improving sleep quality, chamomile tea indirectly supports healthy cortisol levels and stress resilience. It's important to note that while chamomile tea may offer potential benefits for stress relief and cortisol reduction, individual responses may vary. Additionally, chamomile tea should not be used as a substitute for professional medical treatment for chronic stress or anxiety disorders. Turmeric. Turmeric, a bright yellow spice commonly used in cooking and traditional medicine, contains a bioactive compound called curcumin, which is believed to offer various health benefits, including stress alleviation and potential cortisol reduction. Here's how turmeric may help in these regards. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation, curcumin may help mitigate the physiological effects of stress and indirectly influence cortisol levels. Curcumin is also a powerful antioxidant, capable of scavenging free radicals and reducing oxidative stress in the body. By neutralizing free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, curcumin may help lower cortisol levels and promote overall well-being. Some studies suggest that curcumin may have neuroprotective effects, including the promotion of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, production. BDNF is a protein that supports the growth and survival of nerve cells, as well as synaptic plasticity, which is crucial for learning and memory. By supporting brain health and function, curcumin may help regulate the stress response system and cortisol secretion. Curcumin has been studied for its potential antidepressant effects. Depression and chronic stress are often associated with dysregulation of the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal (HPA) axis, leading to elevated cortisol levels. Some research suggests that curcumin may help modulate neurotransmitter activity and improve mood, potentially leading to lower cortisol levels in individuals experiencing stress or depression. Curcumin has been shown to have beneficial effects on gut microbiota composition and intestinal barrier function. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, curcumin may indirectly influence cortisol levels and stress resilience. While turmeric and its active compound curcumin hold promise for stress management and cortisol reduction, more research is needed to fully understand their mechanisms of action and effectiveness in this regard. Incorporating turmeric into your diet as part of a balanced and nutritious eating pattern may offer additional health benefits beyond stress alleviation. Incorporating these foods into your diet along with other stress-reducing practices like exercise, mindfulness, and adequate sleep can help manage stress levels effectively. However, individual responses to foods may vary, so it's essential to pay attention to how your body responds to different foods and make adjustments accordingly. Additionally, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific dietary concerns or health conditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top foods that can alleviate stress and lower cortisol levels. We hope you found this information valuable and insightful. Remember, incorporating these stress-relieving foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. But don't stop here. Explore our channel for more tips, recipes, and strategies to live a healthier, happier life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Have a question or want to share your favorite stress-relieving foods? Leave a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep nourishing your body and mind. See you in the next video.